Let's say that you started to astral project, but you had this idea, what if I am not able to come back into my body? That will be problematic, right? And I have a story where, in my first time of astral traveling, at some point, I woke up in my bed and I thought it was the real life, but little did I know that I was currently in the astral world. So I got up, I did my simakriya, if you want to try it. And as I was doing this pranayama, this breathing method, I was noticing that my oxygen was not like usual. I wasn't able to intake as much oxygen as usually. And at some point, I wondered, how? What's happening? And I started to feel my true body laying in my bed, trying to breathe, and my astral body in the dream world that was trying to do this pranayama. And this is when I understood, oh my God, I'm trying to do my morning routine in the astral world, I gotta get up. And at this moment, my alarm started to go on. It means it's time to wake up. I even gotta go to work. Yet, I wasn't waking up into my real body. And one of the tricks that I know which work very often, most of the time this is gonna help you. Just try to move your toes or move your finger. This will wake you up. The second trick which you can try is to blink your eyes but strongly like this. Because very often as you close your eyes in the astral world, you open your eyes in the physical world. But this too, it didn't work this time. So I told myself, what if I try to put my astral body in the same position as my physical body? Maybe I will wake up. So I went into my bed, took my position, and it worked. I truly did get up. So now you have 3 different ways to come back to your physical body when you are into the dream world. Of course there are many more, but those 3 has never failed me so far. If you liked this video, found any value, and even if you wish to understand how to even astral project, then check this out. And thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting.